Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome back to my shop. This is a glimpse inside. My name is Chris. This video, well, it's gonna be about organization, and I'm gonna install a new system. I've already done some of it there. However, it's meant to be put up on the wall. They give you a bunch of hardware to put it right into the studs. However, we're gonna keep it modular. Let me show you how I did it. We're gonna French cleat a wall control system today, and I really hope you enjoy it. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, gonna start this project off with some 3/4 inch material. This is plywood I picked up at my local big box store. I've cut it down to 2-inch strips, and now you see me cross-cutting it to the various sizes I need to fit the wall control panels. So to save on material and weight, we're going to make frames for these. Instead of putting a piece of solid plywood on the back of the panel, we're gonna make a frame using pocket hole jigs here. You can see the armor tool workbench and the armor tool pocket hole jig are gonna come into play. The workbench is fantastic because I can just lay everything out, clamp it together, and then just screw everything in place. Makes repeatability extremely easy. And there you go, you got yourself a frame. Now, once the frame is complete, I do advocate to soften all the edges. These pieces are gonna be moved around from time to time, and you don't want any splinters. Now, here's an example. This is the piece of wood right off the table saw. Not too bad, actually. Actually have a new blade in place, so it does a pretty clean cut. However, there's a couple areas where if you did rest your hand or glide your finger across it, you would get a splinter. So it is nice to kind of clean these up and soften these edges for sure. Now for a little assembly here, we're gonna take the wall control panel, we're gonna line it up just where we need to, and then I'm gonna use a small drill bit here to draw a pilot hole. And I'm gonna install 6 panhead screws. And you can see here that the panel is designed to allow the screw to pass through the larger opening and then hold in place with the smaller opening there to give you a nice strong hold. I just repeat that process all the way around until we are finished. With the panel flipped over, it's now time to just use some glue and some brads to install the cleat system here. I've got French cleats in this shop, cut and pre-made, but if you don't know, it's a 45-degree angle piece that allows you to intersect it with another 45-degree angle piece that's on the wall, allowing easy mounting and portability as well. Glue and brads are all I need, and I'm gonna show you guys just how I've organized some of these things on the wall so far. Well, it really is as simple as that, making a really easy frame, pocket hole joinery, pretty simple, putting a cleat on it, and then slapping it up on the wall. And again, the beauty of this stuff is that you can move it around. So it's kind of, you can move the pegboard accessories around on the wall control, and you can also move the whole thing around wherever you want it. And that's kind of the goal, at least in this new space that I have in this new shop, is to put things wherever I need them for the time being. And if I don't like it, I can change it. And that's kind of, well, that's kind of the point. That's kind of the beauty of it. One other thing I want to mention here is that these little containers here, you know, they're great for whatever. I haven't outfitted this whole thing yet, but I am using one of those brackets to mount all of my, you know, tape measures. Pretty cool little system here, guys. So check them out. Link down below. And thank you so much for joining me. My name's Chris. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys on that next project. And until then, get out there, make life better. Let's go.